Today's video is going to be a little bit different, but fun nevertheless. We're going to be taking a look at this WorkProX real lawnmower. Taking a look inside the box, you can see everything is packed well, and you will have to do a little bit of assembly. But don't let that discourage you. There's really not a whole lot of parts in the box. It's just kind of condensed so it fits in a small box. Step one is to install the handles, and they do really just kind of hold themselves in place for the next step. Then the next step is to install the top piece of the handle, and it's basically held in place by a bolt that they provide that you just slide through. And if you tie everything together just like that, and they give you a washer and a handle to tighten everything up. And now we need to install the top part of the handle, and it installs pretty much the exact same way. You just put the handle in place, then you install the provided bolt, put the washer on, and install the handle. Now at this point, the lawnmower is assembled, but if you would like to use the grass catcher, it just clips into place. And to do that, it's pretty simple. You just line it up, drop the basket in on these hooks here. Then the back of that catcher has a loop and a strap, and then you take that hook on the top of the strap and you hook it right here on the top of the handle. And now the grass catcher is installed and the mower is ready to use. So we're going to test the mower without the grass catcher at first. Let's go ahead and mow and see how well it does. And yeah, it's mowing really well. It's kicking up grass, and if we had the grass catcher, it would be catching it. Now we're gonna go ahead and test the grass catcher and see if it catches some grass. And yeah, the mower is catching grass. It's actually working really well. It's doing a good job. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I really like this lawnmower. I love the fact that it doesn't take gas. Also keep in mind that you're doing all of the work, so that means you're putting a little bit of muscle into it. It isn't too bad if you keep your yard well maintained, but you get a little bit of a workout. This particular mower does mow at 16 inches wide, and the height is adjustable. You can adjust the height using that knob right there, and you can also add tension or take tension away from the cutting blades using the knob right there. You don't need the grass catcher, obviously, and I think it would be great for a small yard. I'll put a link down below in the pinned comments in case you're interested in purchasing this mower. Don't forget to like and subscribe.